Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today I'll be showing you how to make this headband braided wig. And yeah, this is the headband wig that I actually made for my daughter, and I was so surprised that she would really pull this out very well. Anyways guys, let's move on to this video. Let's move on to this tutorial. Okay, so yeah, this is the headband that I used in making this wig. So then again, you need to make sure that the headband that you are using is the same size for your baby's hair, and also you need to take note of the mannequin head that you are using to make this. Make sure you're using a very tiny mannequin head, and also make sure that the head of the mannequin is approximately the size for your baby. And then moving on, this is the box braid that I'm using to make this headband braided wig. And yeah, I'm just gonna start by placing it on top of the headband and sewing them track by track. And while sewing this, make sure that you are not sewing the bottom part. Make sure you're just taking the first layer of the headband wig, and then you're just gonna sew it track by track. So after sewing this, I'm gonna cut the thread, and that is how I would keep doing that until I get to the very end. And then again, there are two methods in making this headband wig. You can actually use this needle and thread method, or you can use the crochet method in making this. Whichever one that suits you, whichever one that you're comfortable with in using, you can use. But while doing this, I noticed that the needle and thread is quite easier for me to do. But yeah, this is how to do this if you are going to use the crochet method to making this. So yes guys, just keep watching and you understand every single detail. So while making this, I noticed that it was taking longer time than usual, and in order to make this faster, I decided to use a thumb pad to making this. So I don't know what you guys call it, probably a thumb pin, but anyways, this is how I started putting the thumb pad to the headband wig track by track, so that it is easier for me to sew at once. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it all the way around, and then afterwards I will sew it and then show you guys how it looks like. So yeah, this is the very last strap that we'll be sewing to this headband braided wig, and afterwards I will put it in a bun. And then again, you guys might be wondering that what if the baby's hair is showing after putting it in a bun? You can actually use a wig cap net. I'll be showing it in the screen over there. As you can see, this is the net. This is the wig cap net that you will use. Make sure you use nude in color. It's actually the same net that we use when we want to wear lace wig, so that is very convenient for a child to use because it is soft and then it is easy for them to use and it can fit their head or any head size. So yeah, you can make use of that, and your headband, and this headband will come out really nice. Like it will look as though you weave the baby's hair. So yeah, that is how to wear it if you're gonna wear this headband wig, or if it's actually okay, you can just leave it like that without wearing the wig cap net. And also, this is the same process if you're gonna sew a weave to it, that is a hair to it. You can just sew it with the needle and thread method all the way around. It's actually the same procedure, there is no difference at all. So yeah, that is how to do it. It is very simple, guys. Just grab any headband, any of your baby's headband, you can sew a track to it. It's very easy to do. So this is the headband wig. This is how it looks. It looks very beautiful, like very beautiful. Then again, if you're gonna do this, it's actually advisable to use a black headband so that you can always use any color of headband to wrap around it to change the baby's outfit any day, or any depending on the kind of outfit or whatever dress to match. So yeah, I would use a pink headband to put on this because it's quite girly. So yeah, whatever color you feel it's okay, you can actually use it. So this is the scarf that I'm using to wrap around the headband wig. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So yeah, this is our headband wig, and yeah, that is all there is to this tutorial, guys. Until our next video, I'll see you guys. Bye.